found the snow. Third day of summer, and I'm frolicking in the snow. Yeah, that's right. I said frolicking. What? Say something. Oh, this is treacherous. Oh, shit. Whoa. Holy crap, I'm sliding. Woo. It'd probably be easier if I just got on my butt and slid down. Oh. Gorgeous. Wow, that's definitely worth nearly tumbling down a mountain. Check that out. Ugh. Wet much?
Yeah.
If you guys want, I can take a picture.
What?
If you guys want, I can take a picture for you.
Let's take a picture right here. Will you do it from up there?
He's good. Sure. Wow, that's beautiful. Whoa, that's wet. That's cold.
Yeah.
That's a long way down. Oh, jeez. Holy crap. Soaking wet. And like that, the camera's upside down. Sorry folks, for anybody watching this at home, I think I just did most of the video upside down. I'll fix it. Holy crap, that's cold.